Dig with YouTube, comes to talk to. So it's been a while since my last vlog, and I'm sorry about that. Just work and various other bits and pieces have taken over my life altogether. Oh well, what can you do? To make up for it, this vlog is coming from a new location. No, I haven't moved out. I have gone on holiday and I'm in London. So there's a bit of a view from London that we have from our hotel. Train station. The train station is Kilburn High Road as far as I know. This is our little apartment. A bit untidy. This is just the living room. This is my bed, which I have returned to sofa mode. There's a bedroom and a bathroom as well. So, pretty cool. We landed yesterday. I tried filming this video, I don't know how many times yesterday, but everyone is out, so I figured I'd make this one and take you on a little tour. I have to go and meet them in, I don't know, somewhere in the centre of London. I'll text them and find out. So yeah, pretty boring flight really, just kind of, I was up since 1:30 Friday morning? Saturday morning. What day is today? Saturday. So yeah, it would have been Friday morning. Was in the airport by 10 to 6, picked up my friends before I went to the airport, and the coordinator for Spots vs Stripes in partnership, she said everyone should be in the airport by 10 to 6, no later. She rocks up with her friend at 6:30. So, I don't know. It's understandable. She had to go and park. She couldn't park in the airport, etc, etc, etc. Anyway, I'm yammering on. So I'm just going to finish getting ready to go out. Put my shoes and socks on and get ready to go out. Tell me what you think of my hair. I'm kind of trying to figure something out for it anyway. I apologise if that shot is crap. I'll take it out. So it's looking kind of cloudy. I didn't bring a rain jacket, but it's not supposed to rain. There's no rain forecast for the 4 days that we're here. We're here for 4 days. We'll go home on Tuesday evening. So should be good fun. So we are going to sightsee today. We have wheelchair tennis in the Olympic Park tomorrow, which should be great crack. We also have a ticket that gets us around to all the other venues as well, so we might see if we can get in. I want to see the wheelchair rugby and five-a-side visually impaired soccer, which I tried last time I was in London when we went to Birmingham. Tried a little bit of it, and it's interesting. Like with enough practice, I'd say like I could get pretty good at it. But anyway, that's all kind of what's happening on Sunday. Oh, I don't know why, but maybe it's because I've been awake for so long. I don't know what way time is running at the moment. It's all kind of here, there, and everywhere. So today is the 1st of September. We are going to the Paralympics on the 2nd, so that's tomorrow. That's Sunday. Monday we might go and do Thorpe Park, which should be pretty cool, and then Tuesday is just another rest day till we fly out that evening. So that's the plan. I'm going to finish getting ready and I shall take you out. Dig which? Arish. There's the tube. It's kind of weird. The underground is exactly like it looks in the films. Not that that's weird, but there's a train. It's very loud in here. It's kind of weird. Anyway, more to come. So I'm here at Tottenham Court Street Station. Tottenham Court Road Station, I beg your pardon. Just text my friends and I'm looking to try and find out where everyone is and how to get there. Travelling by underground is interesting. I almost felt like I was shrunk, you know, like travelling through little borrower tunnels or something, or journey to the centre of the earth, and mix between that and whatever it was where they shrink him and put him into a human body. and he has to travel around the ship. Yeah, something along those lines. So, an interesting experience, though not terribly difficult. It was quite easy to find my way around. So, I don't know, I'm now outside, what's that? The Dominion Theatre. So, an interesting experience. Let's see what else we can do. More to come. Slán go fóill. Okay. Well, here we are at the London Museum, the London National Museum. Walked down New Oxford Street and turned left onto Museum Street, and I saw some pretty cool artwork on a building before I turned onto Museum Street, so I'll share that here. And I'm going to go and see what I can see in the museum. So, let's go, shall we? Pigeons. To which, I don't know who let me into Hamley's, but I kind of really should leave. I mean, look at it all. Hamley. Family. Spidey. It's madness. Must go and find the girls and try and get something to eat. Stay tuned.